What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been forever since I have been here. Life has been lifing, as you can see. It's rough, it's real, but let's get into it. Everybody has been talking about this video of this Ohio officer who has gotten beat down really badly by this inmate. So we're gonna check this out together. No one watches my channel, so hopefully you all will start watching my channel. Let's go ahead and get into it together.
We are with the shot. Yeah. Hey, Bama, go. Hey, when you go out there, man, please go get a white shirt, bro.
The white shirt's coming
tell them it's an emergency,
because
bro.
of a shakedown.
It ain't about the shakedown.
Okay.
It ain't, I don't care. You do that every day.
What's it about that?
Come on, like, man, you just woke me up out my sleep for no reason.
It's a random shakedown.
I haven't disrespect you. I never had a jack ticket in my life.
Okay. What does that have to do with me?
Shakedown.
It is though.
It do got
hasn't been
everything to
shook
do.
down since you guys moved in there.
Come on. You thought that motherfucker was laughing at you earlier. You looked at me and then looked like this. Like, come on, man, we all see.
What are you talking about? You need to step off. Go somewhere else. I don't give a fuck about that tape on the ground. You need to go somewhere else.
Please stop cussing at me. I'm not cussing at you. Please
Hey, go ahead and just cuff up then.
Please stop cussing at me.
Oh, I see. All right, 15, 12 less. Go ahead, cuff up. Turn around.
Man, please don't do that.
Turn around and cuff up.
Please don't do that.
Turn around and cuff up.
Cuff up for what?
Because you ever see white shirts? They got white shirts instead.
I'm just asking
Turn
you.
around.
I'm just asking you. Please don't
Turn
do that.
around and cuff up. It's the last time I'm going to tell you. It's the last time I'm saying it. Turn around and cuff up.
Please don't.
Cuff up!
We just watched that together, right? And first of all, I'm at a loss for words, of course. And second of all, like, I don't know why male, female, any officer, right? When you are in that kind of setting with not a lot of backup right away and, you know, just assessing the situation, like, you feel like then would be the time to do all that, like, cussing and, you know, just blatant disrespect. Because let's face it, I don't know any of us who are Superman or superheroes where we just can go up against any opponent. And I don't know, looking at him, he seems like he works out, like he's been training for situations like this, and you know that he doesn't mind going full contact, as we could see, because he took out 2 female officers, you know, in one go, 2 in one go. We have the other one yelling in the back, "Get off my partner, get off my partner." I mean, we seen it together. And I don't know why men or women feel like when you are, the odds are pretty much against you, you know, like, yeah, it's two of you, but Like, it just seems like, he would, have the upper hand. But let's just all watch again, because that was a lot. I'm gonna just go back to the beginning. Let's watch.
We are with the shot.
Yeah.
Hey, man, when you go out there, man, please go get a white shirt, bro.
The white shirt's
Man,
coming
tell
over
them it's an
here
emergency,
because
bro.
of a shakedown.
It ain't about the shakedown.
Okay,
I don't
what's
care.
it
You can do
about?
that every day.
What's it about that?
Come on, like, man, you just woke me up out my sleep for no reason.
It's a random shakedown.
I haven't disrespect you. I never had a jack ticket in my life.
Okay. What does that have
It ain't
to
a
do
random
with me?
shakedown.
It is though.
It do
It
got
still hasn't
everything
been
to
shook
do.
down since you guys moved in there.
Come on. You thought that motherfucker was laughing at you earlier. You looked at me and then looked like this. Like, come on, man, we all see.
What are you talking about? You need to step off. Go somewhere else. I don't give a fuck about that tape on the ground. You need to go somewhere else.
Please stop cussing at me. I'm not cussing at you. Please
Hey, go ahead and just cuff up then.
Please stop cussing at me.
Oh, I see. All right, 15, 12 less. Go ahead, cuff up. Turn around.
Man, please don't do that.
Turn around and cuff up.
Please don't do that.
Turn around and cuff up.
Cuff up for what?
Because you ever see
Please
white
don't
shirts?
do that.
They got white shirts and say.
I'm just asking
Turn
you.
around.
I'm just asking you. Please don't
Turn
do that.
around and cuff up. It's the last time I'm gonna tell you.
Ask me.
It's the last time I'm saying it. Turn around and cuff up.
Please don't.
Cuff up!
Now, I know that it is 2026 and the relationship between men and women are different. Like, men are no longer coming to the defense of women because they feel like, hey, we are all independent. Like, you guys don't need men anymore. But most men, to their core, they will want to help a woman who is in distress. Like, that is just like a natural male instinct. Now, if you notice, there were many other males in that setting with them, right? There were many other males, and not one of them came to those women's defense at all. Like, not one of them ran up and say, hey, let's take it easy. Hey, calm down. They all stood around and cheered him on, yelled. And why do you think that is? And I'm not victim blaming, but I'm just thinking that maybe they all have, maybe, just maybe, most of them, a lot of them had a situation with these two women where it was like, hey, get it how you live it. I'm not stepping in. All of the times you cussed me out, all of the times, and I'm not saying be the inmate's friend. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying just a general, a general show of like, hey, I see you, you see me, I'm doing my job. I'm respecting your authority. It's not personal. It's just business. Nobody's cussing at one another. We're just trying to get through our day in a professional manner. No one's cussing. I'm not cussing at you. You're not cussing at me. Hey, you can't get the shirt right now. for whatever reason, you can't have it right now. Hey, it's just business. You can't have the shirt, but I'm not cussing. I'm just saying, you know, I know you really want the shirt. Hey, let me get my supervisor in here. Can you tell him why he can't have the shirt? Because I'm not explaining it properly. I'm not getting it to him that the reason why he can't have the shirt is A, B, or C. You know, he's really angry right now, a little agitated. Can you calm him down a little bit? I don't know, but I'm not gonna be cussing him out. I can't take on this man. Like maybe she could, I'm not gonna say what she could do. I'm just gonna say, I know me, I would be like, I can't, I have hands, but I don't have hands for him. I have hands, but I don't have hands for this guy, or that guy, or that guy, or that woman, or even her. You gotta pick your battles. You can't go in there acting like Superwoman, like. But I don't know, that's all I got. What do you guys and gals have? I haven't been on in a while. This drains me. It's very hard, and no one watches my channel. So anyways, let me know what your opinion is. You know, I like to hear from y'all. Please, if you would like to get down into the comments, let us know. If you want me to do more videos, let me know. Even if you don't, I'm gonna do videos. Y'all not gonna stop my shine. I'm gonna try and make it. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Talk to you next time. This was tough to watch, but we watched it together, and that's all that matters.